Hello everyone, my name is RauSimple. So as per the promised, we are going to do Python required for data science. So for that, we are going to use Jupyter Notebook. You can just download the Jupyter Notebook. You just click on Google, that Anaconda, and download it. There are several tutorials available on YouTube. You can search over there how to download Jupyter Notebook, and please download and then start this tutorial. I'm not going to stop this tutorial. You can download and then start watching this video. Okay. So here there are some of the things which I'll explain you. So this plus sign is nothing but used to add any cells. If you want to add any cells, so if you click plus, it will add one more cell. Say it is adding one cell, but I don't want to add, so I'll delete this. Okay, and this is nothing but used for deleting that cell, and this is obviously for run, and this is nothing but see if you are writing the code. Suppose say this is code, so when you are writing code you can make it code, and when you want to write some just markdown, so if you make it markdown, what happen if you execute, nothing will execute, right? It is not executing anything, so this is used for markdown. Okay, and if you want to make any heading, you can make as a heading also, so this will become your heading. So that is the thing. Okay, so these are the few things, but I don't want to make it as a heading, I want to make as a code. So these are the functions. Now I'll also explain some of the basics or shortcut command which is used mostly. So say if you want to just click on the side, left side, if you want to add any cell below, just click B, it will add one cell. Okay, if you want to add any cell above, just click A, it will add one more cell. Okay, and to delete that cell, you just click on there and just click double D. Okay, D for double D, so it will delete that cell, particular cell. And to run any particular cell, just click shift enter. If you click shift enter, it will execute the particular cell. Okay, so shift enter is used for run the particular cell. So see here, one more thing I wanted to show you. Say suppose if I'll click shift enter, say it is executing this cell. Okay, I'll delete this first. Say if you enter shift enter, it is executing this cell and it is printing one more line, right? And it is giving one more extra cells. But if you do not want, actually it's not required, but still, if you do not want extra cells, you just click control enter. So if you enter control enter, it won't just execute this particular cell, but it's not going to add any extra cells. Okay, so these are the few basic things. Now we'll learn data types. What are the data types? And one more thing, yeah, whatever you are going to write inside the print statement, everything will be executed. This hashtag is used for nothing but command, giving the comment. So this hashtag is used for giving the comment. So see, if you execute this, it will only print whatever is inside the print. It is not going to give this. But if I'll remove this, then see, it will execute this also. So I don't want to make, if I want to make as a comment, I can give hashtag, so it will make as a comment. If you want to give a multiple line comment, this is for single line comment. And if you want to give the multiple line comments, you can use this triple column. It's comma. Okay, triple comma here also. So inside this, whatever you are going to write, everything will be considered as a comment line. So it is not going to execute. See, nothing will execute. You can even write double quotes also. It does not have any problem. It will execute each and everything. Now, if you write age equal to 10, if you print, it will just print the value of a. So the thing is, Python is nothing more. In Python, no need to write explicitly the data type like int age, like other programming language we are writing int a. The Python is very smart. It is automatically going to understand what kind of data type it is. Okay. So now we are going to cover some of the data types. What are the data types? So there are few data types. First one is integer, then float. Float is obviously the decimal points. Integer is whole numbers, right? And booleans are nothing but true or false. String. String is nothing but it's a sequence of characters. So now say if you write age equal to 10, and if you want to check what is the type, okay, suppose I want to check what is the type of this. Okay, type of a. So if I execute, say it's giving type of a, it means this is automatically getting what type it is, what is the type of a, and it is printing integer. Suppose if I'll give 5.6, it will give as a float. If I'll give string, this is good, so it will print type of as string, it's string. And if I'll give directly also type of 5, it will automatically say If I'll give the type of 10, it will automatically give you what kind of integer. And if I'll ask type of true or type of false, so it will give you its boolean. So these all the things are there. Okay, so this is nothing but about the data types. Now coming to the typecasting. So in Python, there are obviously in all the programming there are two type of typecasting. The one is auto casting and the one is force casting. So in auto casting, what happens? It is automatically going to convert. So see here, it's automatically going to convert in higher data types. So here 2 is nothing but the integer and 4.5 is the float data type. So what it will do, if you add, it will give you the float data type. Okay, and if I'll write true plus 2, so again true is nothing but it's 1 always. So if I write true plus 2, it will give you 3. That is, it will automatically convert the boolean data type into integer data type, and then it is going to add and it will give you the result. Now coming to the next. See, but if I want to add this 2 plus string, it is not going to add because it's not possible. It will give obviously error. You see, it is giving the error, right? It is giving the error. Unsupported operating type like this and this. It's not possible to add, right? So this is the thing. Now, okay, what happened if I want to do this? It's again give me the error. See, it is again giving the error. Not high is not defined. Like what is high? It's not defined. So it is it. Now coming to the force casting. So in force casting, what happened? We are going to explicitly confirm. See, this is S5. If I want to check the data type, so you can check data type of 5. So see what it will give. Data type of 5. I'll print. Okay, that will print. Yeah. So see, it's printing. The data type of 5 is nothing but it's it. Now we want to convert this into what? Float data. So if you write float of this S, now see it is converting into float. If you want to check what is the data type of this, you can check also. So see, if I'll type of A, it will give me its float on time. Oh my god. Okay, I should remove this print. And it will give, yeah. So say it's giving its float. Okay, so this is the thing. So now it is explicitly we can convert. Say if q is there, if you want to convert into integer, just int q, it will convert into integer. Now, so this is about typecasting. That is, if you want to convert auto casting and force casting. Now coming to the, if you want to convert the string into uppercase or lowercase, you can just write string, initialize the string, and just write str.upper. So see, it is giving the uppercase. Suppose if I write my name, why not? Lawful. Okay. So say it's giving uppercase letter. Similarly, if you want to convert in lowercase, so suppose I'll write again YouTube. YouTube. Okay. So say it's giving in lowercase. If you write str1, this is str1 but lowercase, so it will give you the lowercase letter. Okay. So this is the thing. Now coming to the slicing. So in slicing is nothing but obviously splitting the character, right? Character of it, or also it's used for numerics also. Okay. So suppose you have initialized any string s is equal to welcome to the course something. So now if you want to extract this 0th character, always the index starts from 0. Okay. So if you want to extract this 0th character, just write s of 0. It will give you double. Suppose I want to extract my 4th character. So if I'll write this, it will give you, see, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's nothing but O. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's giving O. O either 4. Okay. Now, if I want to take after 4 each and everything, like after O, give me all the characters. So if I write 4 into this 4 column and I won't give the last name, it will give each and everything. Okay. Now, if I'm not going to give the starting index and if I'm giving only the last index, so it will start from 0 and it will give till third character, that is 0, 1, 2, 3 till 3. Okay. So it's giving. Always remember it's not including this fourth character. Okay. If you write from 1 to 14, it will give till 13 itself. It's not going to give you the next. One more thing, you can also, if you want to give any step size in that, suppose I want to give a step size of 2, so what happened, it will leave 1 between 1, like it will print W, then L, then O, then E, and it will also count this gap also, that is nothing but the space. So see what it is giving, E, C, M, right, then O, then it's giving 2, E, these are all the things it's giving. So this I'll write here and comment, so that is nothing but S of step. The first character is used for a step, the second is used for stop, sorry, it's used for start, second one is stop where you want to stop, and third one is used for step size. Like what is the step size you want to give, so that's used for step size. Okay, so this is the in slicing you can work with this, anything you can use. Now coming to the slicing, have three parameters obviously, start, stop, and steps. Now see these all things, if you want to check the length of this string, particular length, you can just print length of s, it will print the length, whatever the length is that. Okay. Now see length of s, print s, everything it will do. If you want to print step size, it will give the step size, this all things I have already covered, this all things, right? Then this hello is there, if you want to print from starting from 0 till 4, so it will take till 3 and it will print each and everything. Now coming to the negative indexing, so negative index is nothing but if you give -1, it will print this last character. Why? Negative index, it will take the last character, it will print the last index, that is fine. Now if you give -3, it will start from -1, -2, -3, so it has to print a, so it is printing a, right? Suppose if I'll give something else, why not, so I'll print h2 of something -4, so I'm expecting it to give b, right? So say it is okay, h2 is not defined. Okay, okay, I have not executed the cell for that purpose. See, so it is given B. Right? That's all about today. We'll meet. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please comment down below whatever the doubt you have regarding this, and anything which you want to improve, or anything extra which you want to add, or whatever the doubt you have, anything you can please comment down below, and I'll be happy to answer you. Thank you.